am like a huge overthinker before buying anything. I'm like super excited. I finally upgraded to an iPhone and got myself the iPhone 12 Pro. This one is in the color gold and this is the 256GB variant. Funny story actually, I was in Delhi for the past couple of 2 weeks and I had sort of decided that I will pick up the phone this time. I have in fact been contemplating whether to even buy such an expensive phone for the past couple of months, like 3 months. And if you know me or don't know me, I am like a huge overthinker before buying anything. I will like invest months in deciding if I need to buy that, and then I will try and convince myself that maybe I don't need it, but I was pretty much convinced that I should invest in an iPhone, and I'll tell you why later in the video. But I was supposed to buy the 128GB variant and I called up like 20 stores in Delhi and none of them had it. And it so happened that just like one night before I was leaving, a friend of mine happened to enter a store somewhere in Gurgaon, and that store like had that one last piece in gold color, but it was in the 256GB variant. Obviously it's slightly more expensive than the 128GB one. In that sense, it was more like an impulsive decision. I was like, just pick it up because I desperately wanted an iPhone. I have been using this OnePlus 6 for over 3 years. When I bought it, obviously it was like one of the best cameras in the market like 3 years back. But it has like a, wait, I will show you. It's got like a broken screen. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's got this huge ass crack that goes here. It's got like chipped edges and like whatnot, and the camera obviously sucks. I'll show you the difference between, I haven't used the phone at all yet, the iPhone. I'm like super excited about this phone. So I haven't used the phone at all yet. I actually picked it up on the 15th and I unboxed it like today because I wanted to shoot an unboxing ASMR video, which by the way you can watch on my Instagram. It was like my first attempt to make an ASMR video, so I hope it turns out well. You can watch it on my Instagram page. I'm gonna leave the link down below. So I've already unboxed the phone, but I'll still show you guys. This is how the box looks. It's pretty thin because they've removed the charger from their pack completely, so I got the adapter separately. This was for 2,000 rupees, and this is how the box is. It's just got like the USB and that pin thingy. This is how the phone looks. It's a very subtle gold. It's not like really in the face gold. The back is like ivory, and the side it's stainless steel, so this is the part that's gold. And I think it looks really nice. I'm absolutely in love with it. I have just like, I switched on the phone to set up like an hour back, so I still haven't set up anything yet. In case you guys want to see what's in my iPhone video, do let me know in the comments down below. For now, I just downloaded Instagram, and I do want to show you guys the difference in the cameras. Like just the movement of the camera is so much smoother on the iPhone. You can instantly see the difference in the phones, and I'm so glad I upgraded. I was like sick of my stories being so pixelated and like super blurred and not good quality, so I had to upgrade. And this was more like an investment, so I don't really feel like I splurged as such. I know that I need it for my work. I can shoot videos on it, and in fact because I'm traveling to the US this year, I wanted like a portable vlogging camera. So I either invest in like a Canon G7X or like a vlogging camera, or rather just pick up a phone which I actually needed, because the OnePlus that I had was obviously not in a good condition anymore. So I definitely am loving the phone. I'm still like, I'm so excited. Yeah, I mean, it's literally been like an hour since I opened the phone. I still haven't used it properly. I'm also going to show you guys how I edit my Instagram stories and reels in this video. I had done my how I film, edit and shoot vlog video a while back, and a lot of you asked me how can I edit on the phone. I usually do it on this app called Vita, but obviously till now I was doing it on my OnePlus Android phone. So I have just downloaded it on my iPhone as well. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can use it. It's absolutely free. There are no in-app purchases as well. There are so many like mobile editing video apps that they say are free to download, but when you start using the features, you have to pay for literally everything. In fact, the watermark also you can just switch off instantly by just going to the setting, and that is also free. In a lot of apps, you have to pay to remove the watermark. That's not the case over here. It's fairly simple to use as well. If you don't know how to edit it all, they also have like ready-made templates where you can just pick out the images or the videos that you want to be having in the video, and the app will just edit it for you. But if you like to edit and you do know how to edit, you can try out their really cool features as well. You just go to new project, you add the file that you want to edit, and you open that. Of course, you can start off with the basic features that they have, like the ratio that you want to edit on. So if you're doing it for Instagram, 9:16 is your reel and your story ka ratio. So I'm going to use that, and after that you can also rotate the video. Obviously this was shot in landscapes. I'm going to make it vertical. You go to rotate. I'm going to fix that. You can also position it the way you want to. Once that is done, I'm going to go back to my video file, and I'm going to split it into parts and just keep the parts that I want. So they have a split option where I enter. I'm going to keep myself there, and I'm going to split it here. You can delete the part that you don't want. And again, I'm going to split it again here where I pick my leg up. Here again, I'm going to split it again and delete the middle part. So it's very like easy to use as well. Apart from that, they have pretty cool features like if you go to effects, you have basic effects like zoom in, zoom out. They also have jazzier ones like the screen closing, opening. You need to download to really try out the features. And you also get stuff like bling. You can add bling to it. You can add little particles. So I'm just going to go to particles and add maybe like a shine thingy. So you can do that as well. You can also try out different texts that they have. Now in text also they have like ready-made templates. So you can try out these, maybe like the pink one. And I'm going to change this into OTD maybe. Yeah, I'm going to change this into hashtag OTD. And I'm going to place this here. Again, this also can be adjusted the way you want to. Even in text, there is a lot of things that you can try out. They also have stickers that you can use. They also have GIFs that you can just pick out from Giphy and use. And you also have a huge library of music that they have, and it's absolutely free, nothing that you have to pay for. It's divided category wise, so you can also go according to the mood or the genre. You can also add transitions. If you split a video into like 2 parts, the transition button will pop up over there, and you can pick the transition that you want. You can use a dissolve like this. I'm going to go with the dissolve one. That's how it'll look. So it's pretty easy, and then you can just export the file and it'll save it into your gallery. So if you are a beginner, or if you just shoot on your phone and you don't really use a DSLR, this is like the best video editing app that you can use. I've been loving it. There's so many features that I'm still trying out new stuff every day. But now that I have an iPhone where I can shoot with good quality on the phone and instantly edit, this is going to be like my go-to editing app for sure. And in case you guys do want to download it, I'm going to mention it in the description box for you guys, so you can just check that out over there. It's absolutely free and available on both Android as well as iOS. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very impromptu plan to shoot it. I was just like really excited to have got this iPhone, and it does definitely feel like a good investment, because I definitely don't regret it, because this is my full-time job. Content creation is my full-time job, and I think it is important and imperative to have a good phone camera, because you can't always pull out your professional DSLR and start shooting. You need something instant in hand, and I don't regret it one bit. I'm super happy and super excited to try out all the new features on this phone and the camera. So I'm gonna go do that now. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to give you like an iPhone review, what's in my iPhone, or any other Apple or iPhone or iPad related content. I would love to do that. Yeah, that's about it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.